Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a pair of RGBIC strips. This is not by govee, and I already tested them out and they are amazing. I'm actually really shocked at how good they are. Points to the company, and thank you for sending them out. I actually did want to test out more RGBIC within this year, and these are really good. Now it says these ones are cuttable. Now the reason that govee isn't cuttable is because they have in-app features and it could break basically the whole feature. So yeah, these ones are, it says RGB but it's RGBIC, flexible, cuttable, has sponge tape, remote, and they're dimmable. On the left side of the box you have IP65, Bluetooth, music, and a 32-foot strip of energy information and certified labels. Let's get into it. Welcome guide, so you have package contents, everything that's included, how to set them up, how to do the app, very clear instructions, and I really like it. And the app name is Magic Lantern, so if you need to look at that. 2 strips. Like I said, really good packaging. Right here you have a AC adapter, 100 to 240 volt, 50-60 hertz, 0.8 amps max, and output 12 volts, 2 amps. So it's a really good sized power adapter. There's no big bulky brick. Right here you have like an accessory pouch. So you have the remote, the control panel, and some mounting brackets. Now these have adhesive on the back. There's 6 mounting brackets, which is a fair amount. I wish they would have added at least 10, but it's fine because it has sponge adhesive, which means it's really strong and it sticks over time really good. It says right here on and off, you have a brightness up and a brightness down. Mode up, down, speed up, down, auto, which cycles through some modes, some really good modes, color up, down, RGBW, so that means you can do anything besides RGBW. You can do like a light blue, cyan, whatever. You have 1 hour, 2, 4, 8 hour timers, and 4 different music modes. I already tested them, and 2 of them I really love. The other 2 are okay, I would use them, but yeah. Compared to the govee, as you can see, it is actually a decently sized remote. Control panel, so you have a split-ended, really good because you can't plug these in a wrong way. You have IR receiver. On the back you have a sponge adhesive for mounting on a surface. You go in and scan the barcode for the app. It has a microphone right here, and you can change the speed, demo mode, and then music mode. You could change color, hold it down to power off, music mode, and then Alright, so we have both the strips here. They're really nicely crafted. I know it's factory smell, but it smells really good. Get the power adapter, plug it into the control panel, just like that. Then next you have to do is plug in the strips. You can't plug this in a wrong way. It won't let you. So there's 1, there's 2. That's it. Very simple. We're gonna go ahead and untie this, and we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Make sure the IR sensor is in sight so you can go ahead and use it. But these are so good looking. Like, as you can see, just cycling through, and you can change the modes like I said. As you can see, it looks really good. I actually really like it. It's very vibrant, really bright. So I'm clicking auto, which basically cycles through most of them. I think it's just like a rainbow, and then modes is you actually do different modes. Really cool. And then, like I said, brightness is the lowest it goes, and then it'll go ahead and flash when it's the lowest, and this is the brightest it'll go. That's the brightest, and it'll flash. Change the color, so let's say I can do red. Let's go ahead and change it. The color up. If you want to go back, go left, and there you go. That's really cool. You have access to basically all the colors that are in the app basically. You can download the app to be able to access more features, which I do recommend, but everything is basically on the remote. It's really simple. I really like it. And then right here you have the music mode, so it's actually on this, so make sure a speaker is facing towards this, and that way it'll be able to pick up the sound or bass. This is number 2. This is like a rolling type. So yeah, you can do different types of music modes basically right here from plus and minus. So really cool. This is what the white looks like. It's not white, it's a little bit of blue, but it's still good. RGBWW is what gets that white. So if you really want white, get RGBWW. RGBIC is for segment control, and it does have those chips, as you can see right here, the black ones. Really good strips. 100% recommend them. Like I said, you can go ahead and access everything on here. So that's the brightness. It's at max, and this is the modes. Music mode. Cycle through those. They are really clicky, and then to power them off, you just press and hold the top one. Really simple, really good. I like these strips. Definitely a really good company. Thank you for reaching out. I'm gonna go ahead and set these up, probably test out the music mode, I'm not too sure, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you the app and pretty much everything else. So see you guys right now. Alright, for the last few minutes, I'm going to do a voiceover. I'm not sure if it's going to be the whole thing, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you some useful information. You can speed up or slow down the color chase, which is basically the little auto button, and it'll cycle through like rainbow, and it'll like color chase it basically. Now, you can't really do configurations like govee, where you can make it however you want. So, are these better than govee? Not really in that aspect, but other than that, these are really good, mainly because you can cut them. They're really bright. They have good adhesive, really good packaging, good remote, really good music mode, very similar to govee, but other than that, that's pretty much it. You can choose whichever one you want. If you need a 16-foot strip or a 32-foot strip for your desk, you can actually cut these. So that's a really good thing to take into consideration. Now, I'm going through a ton of modes here. You can speed up or slow down the color chase. I believe I do show you in this video that you can speed it up or slow it down, so that's really useful as well. And it's good because you can use that on the controller. Everything else is on there, and pretty much that's it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe for more videos just like this. I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers, hopefully at the end of this year. That's my goal, and without further ado, that's pretty much out. It's gonna go. Thank you for watching.